Let's break down sidewalk replacement cost when repair isn't enough. Here's what you need to know. Sidewalk replacement costs 8 to 15 per square foot. Learn when patching fails, pricing factors, and how to budget for a complete replacement. Quick answer. Sidewalk replacement costs 8 to 15 per square foot, or $1,600 to $3,750 for a standard 50-foot section. Replace, rather than repair. When cracks exceed 1/8 inch, spalling covers over 20% of the surface, or the slab has settled more than half an inch. A cracked, uneven, or spalling sidewalk isn't just a cosmetic problem. It's a safety and liability hazard. Trip hazards expose homeowners to slip-and-fall lawsuits, and water infiltration accelerates structural deterioration. Many homeowners ask, should I patch this, or is full replacement the better investment? Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in sidewalk replacement and repair for residential and commercial properties throughout North Carolina. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This post breaks down sidewalk replacement costs when repair fails, and how to budget for a complete, durable replacement. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in sidewalk replacement and repair for residential and light commercial properties throughout North Carolina. Sidewalk replacement typically costs 8 to 15 per square foot, depending on soil conditions, finish type, and site accessibility, factors that vary significantly across North Carolina's diverse clay and sand profiles. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A standard 4-foot wide, 50-foot sidewalk runs approximately $1,600 to $3,750 installed. This ensures homeowners avoid the deposit and disappear pattern that defines poor concrete contracting. Moving on to sidewalk replacement cost breakdown. Sidewalk replacement is priced primarily by square footage. A standard residential sidewalk typically measures 4 feet wide and ranges from 30 to 100 plus feet long. Here's how the numbers work. Sidewalk dimensions. Cost range, broom finish. Cost range, stamped finish. Next up, when repair isn't enough, signs you need replacement. The decision to repair versus replace depends on damage extent, cost effectiveness, and safety risk. Here are the key indicators that replacement is the better choice. Cracks wider than 1/8 inch. A crack measuring 1/8 inch or wider allows water infiltration, accelerating freeze-thaw damage, and internal deterioration. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.